Quadratic equations. Factorize algebraic expression. Introduction of quadratic equation. Zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Roots of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Dear students, we have learned expressions and equations. Equation is a polynomial whose value is 0 for a specific value of variable used in it. Any polynomial written in variable x is called the polynomial in x, and it is denoted by p of x. The highest power of variable within the term of polynomial is known as degree of that polynomial. The polynomial p of x of degree 2 is called as quadratic equation. 2x plus 5x square minus 4 is an example of quadratic equation. If we write the terms of polynomial p of x in descending order of their powers, then it is the standard form of that polynomial, or say equation. Therefore, 5x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, called the standard form of a quadratic equation, 2x plus 5x square minus 4. 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0. And 1 minus x square plus 300 is equal to 0 are some examples of quadratic equations. Zeros of a quadratic polynomial. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Let us put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. Therefore, p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 3x into bracket minus 1, bracket complete, minus 4. And hence, we get p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, at x is equal to minus 1, we get p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, at x is equal to 4, we get p of 4 is equal to 0. Since p of x is equal to 0, at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 4, minus 1 and 4 are called the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called quadratic equation in variable x. The equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called general or standard form of quadratic equation. The highest power of variable is 2, so it is a second degree equation in one variable. In the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the constants a, b, c are called the quadratic coefficient, linear coefficient and constant term or free term respectively. The term quadratic comes from the quadrats, which is a Latin word for square. Roots of the quadratic equation. Consider the quadratic equation x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 2 in the left-hand side of quadratic equation, we get left-hand side is equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 6. The value minus 6 we got is the value of x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 at x is equal to 2. Therefore, left-hand side is equal to minus 6. But the right-hand side of quadratic equation is 0. Therefore, the left-hand side of is not equal to the right-hand side of quadratic equation. So, x is equal to 2 is not the root of the given quadratic equation. Summary. In this subtopic, student, we have learned a quadratic equation in the variable x is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A real number alpha is said to be a root of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if a alpha squared plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax squared plus bx plus c and the roots of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are the same. And that is all in this subtopic, student. Let us learn about methods of solving quadratic equation. Till then, keep learning.